Clipping deals and using them in the store is really easy to do. You can see right here when we actually open up the Safeway app, and assuming you're logged into your account, basically it'll automatically put you in store mode. And if you actually want to clip a deal or use the clip deals, you can basically scan the QR code just on the labels right here in the top right hand corner, or you can scan this label just on the ones that actually have clip deals available on them in store, or you can actually find ones prior to going to the store on this app. You can actually search for deals or just go through this page and see what deals you can actually clip just by clicking on these. And if you just want to see a deal that is something that you may want to clip, you can simply go to the search products if you actually know there is one in the store and if you don't want to scan the QR code. And you can see right here, we can basically just click on it and then click on the add to cart option. You can always increase the quantity if you would like to. But when you're ready to check out, what you want to do, you click on the cart option. You can see all of your clip deals right here. And basically, when you're at the checkout, you simply want to type in your phone number that is associated with your account so that these deals automatically take place. As you can see right here, I've just gotten these major discounts just because I linked my phone number. But if none of the deals add, or if all of them do not add, what you want to do is you click on the pay now option and it will update. And then you can actually go back and scan your products, or you can actually talk to someone at the store. But how you actually use the deals is you basically type in your phone number at the checkout and you actually have to have them clipped on the app.